In this tutorial, I'll show you where you can find a range of built-in tools to support learning, which are available when you use the Microsoft Edge browser. The Edge browser is the new web browser which is available with Windows 10. Let's have a look at how we can use these tools to make reading a web page easier. If I click on the book with the speaker icon on the right-hand side of the address bar, I will launch the Immersive Reader view. Now you have a clear interface which helps the reader to focus on the text. A main feature of Immersive Reader is that it allows the learner to focus on a single word as they're read out loud. Background text is greyed out or darkened, allowing the user to focus on one word at a time, thereby supporting fluency, comprehension, word recognition, and focus. I can now click on the Read Aloud option to have the text read out loud.
Red Castle. Built of red sandstone, the ruins of Red Castle date largely from the 15th century.
Under Voice options on the right-hand side, I can choose which voice I want and I can adjust the speed of the spoken text. Both are really important considerations and can make the difference between someone choosing to use text-to-speech or not doing so and missing out on this support. I can put my cursor at the start of a new paragraph and right-click on the mouse or trackpad to activate Read Out Loud. It will now start reading from this point in the page.
Red Castle stands on high ground overlooking Lunan Bay, on the North Sea coast.
In text preferences, you can increase the font size by using this slider, or you can use keyboard shortcuts of Ctrl+ and Ctrl- to do this also. By toggling on text spacing, all the text will appear with wider spacing, and this can help with reading fluency. Here you can choose Page Theme. There are 22 different options available. I'll now choose Aqua. Selecting contrasting background and font colours can improve the reading experience for some learners with dyslexia. In Grammar Tools, I can toggle on this button which splits words into syllables, which provides a powerful decoding strategy. And I can choose to highlight nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs in the suggested colour or any from the drop-down. Teachers like to use this when they're doing a whole class language lesson on the whiteboard. In reading preferences, line focus is a useful tool for learners who find their eyes can drift to the line above or below when reading text or listening to text being read out loud. With the one line option switched on, it looks like this. And you can see how it works very well with Read Aloud activated.
Red Castle. Built of red sandstone, the ruins of Red Castle date largely from the 15th century.
Maybe the one line focus is too narrow and the 3 or 5 line focus would be better. Picture Dictionary provides symbol support for certain words in the body of the text. When it's toggled on, you can choose to see the symbol for any word that is indicated by a star. On this web page, I'm moving my cursor across the text, and when the star appears on the wand, I can click on the word to see the symbol. I can also listen to the word being spoken out at this time too. Picture Dictionary aids reading and comprehension by seeing and hearing a word simultaneously. Picture Dictionary uses a bank of online board maker symbols, and there's no requirement to have any additional software installed. The Translate tool allows you to translate the page into more than 60 languages. Let's try it with Polish. You can then use the same assistive tools for text-to-speech to hear the text being read out loud in the chosen language.
Czerwony zamek. Zbudowane z czerwonego piaskowca ruiny Czerwonego Zamku pochodzą głównie z V wieku.
Some languages will have the picture dictionary symbols available. Text-to-speech with Read Aloud, text preferences, grammar tools, and reading preferences are all really useful built-in tools in the Edge browser to support all learners.